Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her little sister Fox, chapter 26. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, UNC was on Jian's old family house. Siu, please come with me here to see the chairman. Our chairman has seen your previous assessment videos and it's very satisfied. Oh, right now, UNC, chairman, it is John Chauhan. Well, of course, right now, he's a little bit nervous. Maybe the chairman will recognize her. 6 years ago, she was the one who took Xiaojin away. When she sees me, she will let me stay. Right now, UNC. She was really worried if the chairman will notice her. When she came in, she see the shooting gallery. The German brought high technology arms. UNC said to herself, right now she was in front of the chairman. The chairman said to them, come in. The chairman's reading her paper. In UNC, she was standing there. These are the information submitted by your company. Right now, the chairman is clearly scanning about her papers and so on. So, she can check UNC if she can able to do her work. No matter what, I have to figure out how Xiaojun's become what she is today. That's it the problem. That's why UNC. She want to enter Jian's family bodyguard. Right now, the chairman seems to be satisfied on UNC's, and it seems that she's going to hide her. When you use a weapons, you can try it. She was pushing the arms towards her. The chairman seems to be trying to test her. But right now, UNC. I know how to do it, but I'm not skilled at it. Right now, she was looking, or she was hesitating. Took it from her. Upon holding it, just want to say this. Didn't you recognize me? I haven't used it much. Weapons after all. Foreign objects are never reliable on my own. She was holding it grip. She is not afraid. My intentions are not. Right now, UNC. She was really thinking hard. She was facing the chairman. It seems to be a little bit scary. Right now, UNC thing. One shot will eliminate her. But right now, of course, she will not do things that may harm Xiaojun's family. Luckily, UNC put down. Sorry, I can't. Our company does not have a license to carry it. Well, luckily, she really put it down. Right now, UNC, she retreated back. Moreover, I believe that even without these things, I can protect the safety of my employer. UNC assuring she can do her work even without weapons. German said, oh, you are quite confident. And your name is UNC. German seems to be not noticing her. She is UNC. They already met 6 years ago. UNC answered and said yes. Looking at her, she's a little bit agitated. Well, maybe she is really scary. Her heart beat fast. Forget it, you don't need to learn how to use. Well, finally, it seems to. The president is really liking her. That's why she turned back. She was talking to her like a normal ways. Well, let's see then what will happen. So, John Chauhan didn't recognize my identity. After all, back then, I was just a down-out, low-level grey wolf who could be dismissed casually. Weather seems to be nice. It was a peaceful day. Finally, UNC. She really get hurt by the Jian family to be able to be a bodyguard. Minjun. The Jian family old house was designed by the famous architect in the last century and has a history of hundreds of years. Oh, it turns out the house was really old. What's so good about it? I lived there for so long when I was a kid. It just feels that it's dark and cold here. Jian said, how are you with Susu? Even John Chauhan himself doesn't like living in this old house that is occupied by the others. Right now, Minjun, she was playing with her aunt. Didn't you say you found a Friday bodyguard for me? Where is it? The guide called the bodyguard is actually my aunt's eyes. Right now, it seems that Minjun really doesn't know that UNC is the one who's get hurt. You should know that I have found a bodyguard for you. Dansong is coming back these days. In terms of seniority, he will become the heir, the Jian family. Minjun said to her aunt, well, I remember him. Oh, Minjun, she really looked great today. The prodigal son of the Jian family was originally also a candidate for a heir. However, direct descendants of the Jian family eliminate Chan Xiaohan. Oh, he has been staying at the Hong Kong branch for these years and will return to Hong Kong City in a few days. I will ask him to take you and Susu with him. You can go there to cultivate your relationship. As for security, don't trust anything. So that's why she get hired UNC to be able to protect her. Right now, Minjan said, good, and it seems that she was really agreeing. The fourth city has always been relatively developed in terms of foreign trade and transportation. It's been affiliated with the silence in recent years. Right now, everything is discussed. Ah, people are coming. Her aunt said to her, if it's someone's Jian Xiaohan. Well, for now, she was really afraid she cannot close to the bodyguard. Teacher Yu, she's a family. Xiaojun, I will entrust her to you. The chairman said to UNC, and Xiaojun at this moment, she was not looking on the fact. Why does Chan Xiaohan want to deprive me of even my meager freedom? So right now, Minjun really got worried. Her aunt is being strict to her, especially right now. When she turned around, well, Minjun said it was her first meeting. Looking at her, she was really smiling, but when she focused on her eyesight, she was looking that this person is not ordinary person, and it turns out it was really UNC, and she will be her bodyguard. Of course, right now, she looks really surprised, and she can only said hello. If UNC is her bodyguard, we will be close to each other. Ah, you're welcome, UNC said to her. Finally, UNC. She opened her arms. Is going to move closer to her. Suddenly, UNC grabbed Minjun's hand. UNC, the new personal bodyguard, and it was nice to meet you, miss. Oh, this is great. Finally, the two of them are really closer to each other. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!